Lina, and today I will introduce you our conventional oven. And you can see here, this is our 10 trays conventional oven. It is the electricity type. Okay, let's open the door and see inside. And because this is the 10 trays, so it will have these 10 shelves to put 10 trays inside. And you can see there is 2 fans inside as well. And for this conventional oven, it is with the steamed function already. So it is very perfect for the French bread baking. This is the 5 trays oven. And you can see the material is the same as the 10 trays. Also the food-grade stainless steel material. And the control panel is also the same. It is also the same as like the 10 trays. This is the power button. If you want to open the oven, you can click this button and then start the oven. This is also the light button. And this is also the temperature button. You can set the temperature here as well. And this is the time to set the baking time you need. And this is the steam. For the 5 trays, it is also when the oven temperature reaches to 200 degrees, then you can click this steam button. The oven inside will automatically spray water to be steamed. For both 5 trays and 10 trays, we also have electricity oven and gas oven. So if you have any need for conventional oven, you can contact us to get more details anytime.